Hello and welcome back. My name is Andres Morales, your guide to everything real estate in Irvine, California. As we step into February 2024, we're not just looking at our local market, but also connecting the dots with the national trends to give you a well-rounded view of the real estate scene. Let's start with the big picture. Across the United States, we've noticed a slight dip in existing home sales by 1% month over month, with a year-over-year decrease of 6.2%. But there's a bright side. Pending sales have leaped by 8.3% from the previous month, the biggest jump since June 2020. This revival is fueled by significantly lower mortgage rates, igniting hopes with a forecasted 13% rise in existing home sales this year. Despite the slow sales activity, a persistent housing supply shortage has kept home values buoyant, pushing the median existing home price across the United States to $382,600, a 4.4% increase from last year. With inventory shrinking but signs of recovery on the horizon, the market is poised for an interesting development. Zooming into Irvine, our local market has been buzzing with activity. From December 2023 to January 2024, the month supply of inventory has tightened from 0.77 to a mere 0.71 months. This rapid movement signifies a fearless competitive market, with homes now selling in as little as 15 days on average, a noticeable speed up from the previous month. On the price front, Irvine has seen a remarkable growth. The median sold price rocketed to $1,470,000 in January, showcasing the high desirability of living in our beautiful city. Moreover, homes have been selling for an impressive average of 100.7% of their listing price, indicating a strong market performance and seller's advantage. So what does this mean for you? Whether you're planning to buy or sell in Irvine or simply keeping an eye on the market, these insights are crucial. The local market is vibrant, presenting unique opportunities for sellers, while the national outlook offers hope and possibilities for buyers. In these dynamic times, having the right guidance is key. As your dedicated realtor, I'm here to navigate you through the market, ensuring your real estate dreams turn into reality. Thank you for joining me in this in-depth market update. For personalized advice and more insights, feel free to reach out. My name is Andres Morales, wishing you success in your real estate journey. Until next time, take care.